When a teen starts driving, it's a big milestone for them and for you. There's excitement, new independence, and a lot to think about when it comes to safety and responsibility. At Erie Insurance, we understand what that moment feels like. That's why we offer teenSMART, a crash reduction program designed for new drivers to build safer habits early and help families manage the cost of insurance. You may be eligible to save up to 20% on your auto policy. teenSMART, developed by Adept Driver, is a self-paced program combining short video lessons, realistic driving simulations, and guided parent-teen driving activities, helping them to recognize risk and respond more confidently behind the wheel. The program is scientifically designed to address the leading causes of crashes, which account for more than 90% of all accidents. Teens who complete the program show fewer accidents, fewer tickets, and safer driving behaviors over time. Through Erie's partnership with Adept Driver, teenSMART is available to eligible Erie customers for less than $70, often allowing the program to pay for itself through insurance savings in the first billing cycle. It's one more way that Erie supports you as your family enters this new stage. Enroll online today or contact your Erie agent to learn more.